It's almost holiday period and everyone is going for a business meeting, for family gathering, for holidays, for vacation, and packing your travel luggage is a whole lot of stress on its own. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how you can be able to pack those travel luggage. I'm going to give you a travel capsule wardrobe that is going to ease up all your stress in those classic outfits that is still going to make you look elegant even during your vacation. A travel capsule wardrobe are simply those essential pieces you want to include in your suitcase or your travel luggage when going out for a vacation or a business meeting, like out of town business meeting. So on today's video, we'll be talking about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 travel capsule wardrobe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. On today's video, we'll be talking about travel capsule wardrobe. And if you're interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. A capsule wardrobe are those essential pieces you want to have in your closet, those clothes that must be in your closet. And to build up a capsule wardrobe is going to depend on your personality, on the kind of person which you are. If you're a work person or you're a stay-at-home, your capsule wardrobe is solely going to depend on these things. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how to build a travel capsule wardrobe, and we're going to go with the policy of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know by now you'll be wondering what's the meaning of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's just dive into the video so that you're going to understand everything. It is quite simple, easy to understand, so make sure you watch up to the end of this video so that you better have an understanding of what we are talking about, or on how you can be able to be your travel capsule wardrobe. So let's begin with the first one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 simply represents item that must be included in your travel suitcase or your travel luggage. So let's begin with the first one with 5. 5 simply means 5 tops. In going out for a vacation or for a business trip out of town, you want to include 5 tops into your travel suitcase or your travel luggage. These 5 tops are going to help you style different outfits based on the occasion. If you're going out for a vacations, obviously you're going to visit different places, and these 5 tops are going to help you style different outfits for the different places that you are going to visit. For your 5 tops, you can include a blazer, you can include a white button-down shirt, you can include a t-shirt, you can include a casual blouse and a fitted top. These tops are going to style those outfits perfectly on different occasions. So you want to include 5 tops into your travel suitcase. And now let's move to the next one. The next one is 4. This 4 represents 4 pants. These 4 pants, you can include a straight leg pant, you can include neutral color pants, you can include a short pant, and you can include a casual pant. These pants, you're going to style them with those tops on different occasions. A wide leg pant, we always know it has a tendency of fitting. Wide leg pants always fit, and it fits everybody's size. I think wide leg pants fit everybody's size, so you want to include a wide leg pants, and also you want to include a neutral color pants. With neutral color pants, they are easy to style with those tops. Any top you can be able to style with a neutral color pants, and it goes perfectly well. For short pants, based on your vacation, your area where you're visiting, you can just style a short pant. You can wear a short pant and might be a t-shirt for just a casual look. And with the casual pants, for casual pants, you can use casual pants maybe to stay at home or to be around your area, if you're residing in a hotel or a house, you can just be around with a casual pants. So those are the uses of those 4 pants. Now let's move to 3. 3 simply represent shoes. You want to include 3 pairs of shoes in your travel suitcase. These 3 pairs of shoes are going to help you style those outfits for every occasion. You want to include a sneakers, a cute, elegant sneakers in your travel suitcase. You want to include a high heel, and you want to include just a flat. Any flat depends on you. For these shoes, you can be able to style the blazer and the wide leg pants with the high shoes. For casual look, you can be able to style the short trouser or the casual pants with a t-shirt or a blouse. It depends on you, and a sneakers. For just being around, just staying around the house or around the hotel. You want to go in for a casual look, obviously. So you're going to style the casual pants and the t-shirt with those flats. You see, everything is just going in place. And packing your travel capsule wardrobe is quite easier, right? Now let's move to 2. 2 simply means bags. You want to include 2 bags into your travel capsule wardrobe. These bags are going to help you style those outfits like I earlier mentioned. For the structured bags, you can be able to pair them with a blazer, the wide leg pants, and the high heels. This is for a business event or an outing, like an important outing, like you know those outings, right? You can style them like this. And you need also a casual bag. These casual bags are going to fit with the casual outfit, either the short pants or the casual pants with the t-shirt or the blouse. You can be able to style them and mix them around, play with these pieces, and you will see these are fantastic outfits that are just going to save you the stress. Now let's move to the last one. The last one will include accessories. These accessories can be a necklace, and for necklace you want to go in for really simple necklace. A simple necklace can go for each of these outfits, no matter the occasion, whether it's for a classic business meeting, for work, for casual event. You'll be able to style a simple jewelry for these outings. So this is your travel capsule wardrobe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it in the comment section and tell me which other outfit will you include in your travel capsule wardrobe. Also tell me, did this video help you in your travel? So guys, that is it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye. It's almost holiday and everyone wants to go out for a vacation or for a business trip or for family gathering, and packing your travel luggage is a whole lot of stress.